Access over $10,000 in government grants, plus up to $4,000 in tax credits for qualifying BC seniors. Proudly Canadian, installing walk-in tubs from a Canadian manufacturer who's been in business for over 30 years. We help hundreds of clients just like yourself to stay in the home you love longer. Safety and stability from start to finish. Ultra-low step threshold. Easy in, easy out. Non-slip flooring, secure grab bars, and a comfortable seat for total confidence. Enjoy the benefits of hydrotherapy, proven to reduce pain by 40%, improve circulation, and soothe sore muscles. For risk mitigation, there's no better solution for that one room than a walk-in tub from Walk-in Tubs Fraser Valley. Call today for your free, no obligation in-home assessment and take advantage of our $1,000 off installation.